Is that our special mommy daddy dinner?
Mm-hmm.
Our special mommy daddy dinner. I think baby's busy, Papa. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi, sweetheart.
Okay.
Grandma's
You
here.
gotta clean yours off. Oh yeah, did you hear something? This is our special mommy daddy
I
dinner.
know it smells good. I can
Yeah.
smell it. Oh, how funny.
Papa, you want to eat over here with me?
Like a little Frankenstein going on here. Oh, and there's a little happy face. Let's see, you're opening your eyes now. Okay, get a picture of you open your eyes. Now you're closing.
Now
Your
to
ice cream. You
close.
probably want to eat your
Now
ice
to
cream right away. It's melting.
Oh, what a big yawn, Alex.
Oh, he's yawning.
Yeah. It's Alex's first test.
Yeah.
We missed it like 6 times, right?
Yeah, that's okay.
Sorry.
That's alright.
Doesn't look too shabby.